If you know how to ask the question properly and you're interested in developing the future, you can make a wonderful, wonderful career out of engineering. The Apollo software was a quasi-hardware development process. Why do you think they went to that approach?
The thing I would say I probably enjoy most about Professor Winter's lectures is how engaging he is.
Well, that's what they've been doing for years.
You know, the vignettes are great, and they really pull you into the stories, but he asks a lot of questions and engages the students. It really kind of lets you see, the individual trees and the forest as a whole and how they all fit together.
When it comes to, in particular, the development of large, complex systems, be it the next automobile, the next aircraft, the next ship, next processing plant, these are projects that take literally years to develop. And the only way, realistically, of getting that experience onto campus is to hire people like myself who are failing retirement and willing to leverage the experiences that we've had to be able to help train the next generation. Today, our last formal lecture, and it's going to be a little bit different from many of the previous lectures because I'm going to be getting into an area that I have to admit I'm a little bit unsure of your backgrounds.
I remember when Professor Winter had a discussion on the iridium constellation of cell phones. Turns out I was the only one who had used that method of communication. And I told him I had used it on the outskirts of Baghdad in 2009 as an alternate means of sending troop movements. I knew at the time that he was the Secretary of the Navy and as a military officer. I had a lot of respect for the position. I was really curious to kind of see the individual that had held that office, and I was not disappointed.
That's a picture of me in Fallujah with a little girl that just came out from school and was looking for some chocolates. I don't think it's really possible for somebody to go from a position of high responsibility to one of pure retirement. There may be people out there that are willing and able to play 36 holes of golf every single day, but for the most of us, I think maintaining an intellectual challenge and engagement is very important. You couple that in with the opportunity to give back, to be able to interact with a very capable, motivated group of students, and the opportunity for a post-professional career engagement is there. And I really think that it represents the ideal transitional assignment that one can take on.